Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to delete pages from PDF file, how to delete pages from PPT PowerPoint presentation. It's very simple tips and tricks. You just follow and solve your problem. You can delete any of the middle page or last page or any other pages. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here, Google, new tab, put it here, Wondershare PDFelement. I already put this link in same video description. You just simply come here if you are working on PDF related tasks. So this is one of the best software or platform I saw ever. You just simply download this application. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS application and Android application. After finish the download, you just simply install, agree, and here double click, open. I already installed this application, but you just simply download and install what exactly I'm doing here and simply launch here. So look at this, I already use this framework, and this is Wondershare PDFelement framework. I open my resume in Wondershare PDFelement. So suppose for example I want delete page number 3, right click and delete options are come here. So automatically page are delete. First my resume page size is 5, now is 4. Again I will show you, I delete this page number 2 and look at this, my page again delete. It's very simple. And now I save this file and again I open here my resume. So look at this, my resume comes here in the 3 pages. Already I deleted 2 pages. It's very simple process. You can use these tips and tricks of any PDF document. Even suppose for example I will show you one more tips. PowerPoint presentation PPT is available. I just simply open this PPT. Now look at this, my entire PPT size is 15. And now just I want simply delete this particular 11 number PPT. I click here and delete. So look at this, now is 14. I delete any page if after I'm making the presentation and then I'm thinking no require for this particular page or presentation slide. So you can very easily delete those slides and present your work using Wondershare PDFelement. It's very simple and amazing software. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.